Your husband said it couldn't be done, didn't he? Well, honey, that's where Live Edge Carpentry comes in. For over 10 years, we've been turning impossible dreams into beautiful reality for families across Weatherford, Aledo, Springtown, Willow Park, and Poolville. Whether it's that kitchen remodel you've been Pinteresting, a bathroom makeover, custom trim work, or building that perfect deck for summer entertaining, we blend honest craftsmanship with fair pricing to create something that'll make you fall in love with your home all over again. From framing to flooring, fencing to custom carpentry. We don't just build projects, we build dreams. Ready to prove your husband wrong? Call Live Edge Carpentry at 425-633-4950 and visit liveedgecarpenter.com to get a fast free quote today.